Hello everyone, welcome you back to Exploring MS, and let's go ahead and discuss the cost of MS medication in today's video. First of all, if you haven't subscribed, I really request you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can, be updated with more and more upcoming videos of mine. Thank you in advance. So, when I started taking medicine for multiple sclerosis, doctor had prescribed me Tecfidera, and the cost of Tecfidera was more than 10 lakh rupees in a year. So, monthly cost was about 90,000 rupees. So, obviously, more than 10 lakh a year. At that point in time, luckily, I used to get those medicines from railways. My mom being a railway staff, and central government health scheme, I was covered under it. But now they have stopped giving me those benefits. I really don't know the reason why, but yeah, it was covered at that point in time. Now my medicine has also changed. I take rituximab, and the cost of rituximab at that point in time was 38,000 for one vial, and that was just like one vial. And I had to take two vials because one vial is 500 mg, and I had to take 1000 mg of rituximab. So that was 38 into 2. So how much does that make? 76, I guess, right? Plus the hospital charges and all. Because I was getting it from railways, I just had to pay for my hospital cost. But very soon, the railways stopped giving me the medicine, so I had to start procuring it myself. So when I started to buy it, I think I was in Goa at that point in time. I've lived there for a couple of years. And there's a very famous hospital there, the Manipal Hospital. It is in Panjim itself. When I had checked from the hospital pharmacy, it was costing me about 40,000, I guess. 40 or 45,000 plus the hospital cost, of course. So then when I spoke to the neurologist there, she gave me the permission to buy it from the outside dealer and get it infused. So that's what I did. I bought it for 25,000 and I had got it infused from the hospital. So it also differs, right? So when we are talking about the cost, it not just depends on what kind of medicine you're taking, it also depends from one hospital to the other. If you have to buy the medicine from the hospital pharmacy itself, it might be very much, very, very costly for you. But if you approach the dealer, you will get the same medicine at a much cheaper cost. So after my 3 years of stay in Goa, I came back to NCR, and my treating doctor is in AIIMS, right? So here what I do is, I just buy rituximab from the dealer, and I go ahead and get myself admitted in AIIMS. It just costs me like 60 rupees and it's done. So it's way, way economical. So the first dealer last to last year, when I approached, he charged me 14,000. But last year there were like a lot of medical shops, pharmacies just outside AIIMS. I got it for just 9,500 rupees. So the same medicine, you get it in different range also, because it's based on different companies, because a lot of companies who produces the same medicine, right? So the cost also differs. Now these are the medicines that I have taken, but there are a lot of medicines that is there in market for multiple sclerosis, and it it depends on what kind of medicine that you're taking, whether is it oral or whether it is the injection, the interferon that you're doing, right? The Ocrevus, which is the new drug that has come to India, one dose of it is maybe it's costing you 3 lakh rupees. So you can imagine, right? So MS is not a cheap disease. I mean, sometimes I shouldn't say this, but yeah, I used to think, why me? I mean, I've stopped questioning that now, but when initially I used to question, why me? Why can't some millionaires and billionaires get this kind of disease? It'd be so economical for them. A person like a normal person, a middle class family like me, we can't afford such high end diseases, right? I mean, our pocket won't allow. So, I used to question why me, but now I've stopped doing that. Can't help it. I have, I mean, like, I've accepted it. But yeah, it is definitely, a very high end disease, and that's what we've got. But I'm sure, we will be able to manage, because as I said, right, the rituximab that I'm taking, I have taken like 40,000 worth, I've taken 9,500 worth also. So, and then we have hospitals like the government hospitals wherein the treatment would be free, so that also is one of the criteria. Like, if you are okay going to a government hospital, you know you just have to pay the charge for the bed, and you can get your treatment done. I mean, AIIMS is one of the best in India, so I don't mind going myself and getting myself admitted for hardly 12 hours, right, and pay just 60 rupees for it, and I'll just buy a medicine and that's done, right? So I think, yeah, that's one thing that we can that can be done. That's what I feel. So yes, the cost of the MS medication, it varies from hospital to hospital, from the dose itself, right? If you're taking 1000 mg of a particular medicine, like for example rituximab, so then you have to do like 9.5 into 2, right? And if you're taking just one vial, then it's just 9.5, right? So initially when I started, I used to take 2 vials, like 1000 mg. So 38,000 is what I started with. So 38,000 into 2, it's like maybe 76, so that was the cost of the medicine. So it varies, and I'm sure that there are more medicines which are being prepared, and I hope that in future the medicines becomes more economical, and so that it's more approachable for the not so wealthy population of India, like middle class people and the poor people. It should be approachable to all, right? There are a lot of people who can't even afford the medicine, and that's very sad. Medicine is something that should be approachable for everybody. That's what I feel. So yeah, okay, so yeah, that's what I wanted to discuss, and I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.